This video is sponsored by Flux. Flux is a browser-based PCB design platform that uses AI to make the electronics design process faster and much more convenient. Unlike traditional tools like KiCad or Altium that require installation and manual setup, Flux runs directly in your browser, so you can start designing circuits from anywhere. One of the most interesting features is the AI-powered assistant, which can help generate component footprints from datasheets, connect common sensors, and even assist with parts of the circuit design. This can save a lot of time, especially when you're working on more complex projects. Flux also includes an AI auto layout feature that can automatically place components and route PCB traces while respecting the physical constraints of your board. This can really help speed up the design process. Of course, like with any AI tool, it can sometimes make mistakes, so it's always a good idea to review the routing and connections yourself before sending the PCB for manufacturing. But Flux does a great job handling a lot of the repetitive work and helping you move from idea to a finished PCB much faster. So it's definitely worth trying for your own electronics projects. Link in the description.